How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a slide. So to start our slide, we're going to begin with the shape of it. So I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves down, and then it's going to curve out like this, kind of like a big stretched out S. Then I'm going to draw a line right here and right here on each end. Then I'm going to redraw that shape just like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line that goes this way. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw that diagonal line. And then I'm going to draw two lines right here. Make this one a little longer. Then I'm going to connect this line. Now, starting here, I'm going to redraw that S shape, and I'm going to end it right here. So I'm just going to go down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it over to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down to here. And then I'm going to curve it up, and I'm just going to draw this line all the way up to here, and then I'm just going to curve it back down here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up, and then it's just going to curve down. And then I'm just going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then comes back up. Then I'm just going to draw some lines that go straight across for the little ladder part that you climb up. Just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a slide. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.